There are many doubts about taking the IELTS on computer. If you are planning to take a computer-delivered test, well, there are a couple of things that you should know about. And the main things are the similarities, the differences, the things that you should take care, look out for, etc., etc. And that's exactly what I'm going to do in today's video. I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about the computer-delivered test. So, let's start learning. Welcome back everyone to Genesis Learning with me, Noel, your expert trainer. If this is the first time you're coming to our channel, thank you so much. It means a lot to us that you've come and you're watching this video. And just to let you know, in this channel, we do a lot of videos, of course, about IELTS, PET and OET. And also we do a lot of videos about daily English, how you can improve your English in daily conversation. So, which means to say, if you're interested in any of it, there's a subscribe button right at the bottom there somewhere. I can't see it, but it should be there somewhere. So just hit it and make sure you hit that bell icon so that you can get a notification as soon as we release a video. All right, brilliant. So here we go. Let's start firstly with the first module. Okay, in the computer delivered test, everything is same as that as of the paper test, sorry. You got your listening, reading, writing, and speaking. 4 of them. I'm not going into a lot of detail about the question types because I've already done a video about it. And that video should come up somewhere now here somewhere. So just click that video and you can see the entire video, what is it all about. So here we go. The listening. For the listening, you will firstly get a headphone, obviously, duh. Okay, so you will get your headphone and the audio will be played just once and it will be played from the computer. You don't have to do anything about it, okay? However, you will not hear it a second time. It cannot be paused, it cannot be rewinded, forwarded, nothing of that sort. The tasks are same as that of the paper test. However, there is a small difference. You will have to click and you will get some table. You can get a chart, diagram, anything. So sometimes you'll have to click it, drag it, drop it, everything of that sort. So you have to be computer literate, especially about using your mouse. The next thing is you will not get that 10 minutes towards the end of the listening. Okay, like for the paper, you will get it, but here, no, you will not get it. The thing that you will get, however, is you will get a couple of minutes after each section. It can be a minute or maximum up to 2 minutes. That's it, nothing more than that. And when the audio is being played, you will have to type and enter the answers as and when you hear it. Because if you try to wait till the end, it can be a problem. Okay, so you have to be a bit quick with your typing. You don't have to be a typist or you don't have to be very quick with computers, but you have to be reasonably quick. You will have 6 question types. I'm not getting into the detail, but it's the same thing as your paper-based test. Okay? The next is about the reading. In the reading, you will get 3 sections. Okay? Yeah, 3 sections with 40 questions inside it. The screen will be divided into 2. We'll have 2 halves. The reading, that is a passage, will be on the left-hand side. Okay, now this is my left, okay? So this will be your right. Okay, I'm totally confused. Okay, left. Okay, it will be on the left side, okay? The reading is going to be on the left side and you will have all the questions on your right side. And you will have some scroll bars where you can scroll up, down, anything is possible, no problem, okay? You will have to click certain answers, like the same thing like I said in the previous case. You'll have to click, drag, drop, everything. You can even highlight some of the text, and you can even remove your highlights, etc. You can change your answers whenever you want, no problem at all. Now, just a small heads up. There is a help section. However, I suggest don't use it because it will just waste your time, okay? Remember, your time is very limited. They're not going to give you any extra time. So avoid using all of that and clarify your doubts before starting the exam, okay? Brilliant. The next one, let's move into the writing. Writing. Nightmare for some, but quite interesting one. Here itself, you will get 2 tasks. Obviously, your task 1 and task 2. You will have a total time duration of 60 minutes. But here is the game changer. Here, everything is done typing all the way, okay? So you'll have to type into the screen. I mean, not into the screen, you'll have a keyboard and you'll have to type everything and make a note. Now, here's the best thing, if you are a person with a very bad handwriting, I've got a decent handwriting. However, there are a lot of people with some bad handwriting. If you have a bad handwriting, no problem. This is going to help because you're typing everything into the system, okay? Your spelling is obviously very important. But here's the thing. One of my students asked me this question. Will we get autocorrect, like how you get it in your Word? You'll get like small like red marking. Well, unfortunately, you will not get that here. Okay, there will be no autocorrect. So your spellings have to be correct and you will have to make sure it is correct. Now, here's the best thing which I like. There is a word counter. Okay, so you'll see it somewhere on top of your screen or sometimes at the bottom where they will tell you how many words has been typed. It's pretty cool, right? Absolutely. So there what happens is you don't have to waste your time sitting and counting 1, 2, 3, 4 like most of the students do. That's a good thing. Next, you will have your screen, okay, once again divided into 2. On the left, you'll have your question and on the right, you will have where you're going to type. Now, you can ask for a pen and a paper if you want. It's optional, it is provided. However, they will not let you take it home. You have to give it back as soon as the exam is over. So that is one thing about the writing. Now, the next thing is with regard to your one small thing. This is a small heads up. See, everybody is sitting in the hall and there will be a lot of typing. Too much of noise is going to be there. And you have to be a bit considerate about other people. So try not to type too loud. And another thing that you can do is you can actually keep your headphones on. The headphones that you get in your listening section. Remember, I told you. So keep it on and just type. It will just help you to avoid all the unnecessary distractions. Okay, now the next one, the speaking. Okay, interesting one, right? So in the speaking, what's going to happen is you're going to talk directly to a computer and everything is going to be evaluated by the computer. Wrong, absolutely wrong. That is not what is going to happen. Well, that happens only in the PT. But here in the IELTS, many people are saying you will have to talk to the computer. But no, you don't have to talk to a computer. It is same as your paper-based, wherein you will have to go to an examiner, one-to-one with an examiner, sit in front of the person and talk. You'll have 3 sections and it will last for around 11 to 15 minutes. Same like the paper-based. So please don't fall for anyone who says that you just have to talk to, the computer. Okay, now you can try out some free sample papers, not sample papers, I would say sample questions, a couple of questions. If you log on to the official IELTS website, it's given there. So that is one good way how you can see that, you can see like, are you really comfortable with using the computer or not? Now, next thing what I want to talk to you about is, most of the people are thinking right now because of all the pandemic problems that is happening around the world, you cannot go outside, you cannot get a PR or a student visa. But let me tell you, there are people who are getting a lot of visas and they're all moving around here and there. So don't be that kind of person who sits laid back and thinks, oh, I will do it when everything gets back normal. No. You can be that way. I mean, it's purely your choice. Or you can be a smart person and start preparing right now. All you have to do is, if you need any information on the exam or with your test preparation rather, log on to our website, which is, you should be knowing it by now, www.mygenesislearning.com. Send us a quick inquiry and we'll get back to you. Or you can send us an email. Our email is there below at the description, and you can send us an email and we can still reach out to you. Now, well, we've almost come to the end of our video today, but it doesn't get completed without one small thing. your opinion. Your opinion matters a lot to us. And how can you express your opinion? Just by hitting that small like button there right at the bottom. If you've got any doubts that you want us to clarify, if you are feeling a bit lazy to go onto the website or send us an email, just send us in the comment section below and we will get back to you. We're pretty good with replying to comments, all right? So thank you so very much for sticking around. It means a lot. We highly appreciate you sticking around and watching this entire video. Feel free to share it with your friends and let us know once again in the comment section if you have any doubts and we can help you. All right, brilliant. So thank you so very much. Until we meet again, this is your tutor, Noel, signing out. Ciao.